Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add music to a video. Free, no download and step-by-step guide. So make sure you will be just open your Canva. After on the top left, as you can see the create option, just tap on it. And in this options, as you can see the video, just tap on it. So you will just have to upload your own video from the desktop, or you will just choose from video right over here. So I want to just tap for video landscape, or you will also add a mobile video. So when it's load, so right now you will just have to upload from the desktop, or you will just choose from video here. So right over I want to just tap this news video. There's an 5 seconds. So as you can see, there's an option of add audio. I want to just tap on it, and example I want to just tap a random music. So as you can see, I want to just play it, you will just listen. So in this way you will just have to add music to a video for free. That's it. Thank you.